How to add social links on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add social links on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines in the top corner, and now you will see this one, your profile here. Click on it and then just after you click on your profile you will find this one here, edit profile. And now just go down and you will find links here. Just click add, and here you can add social links. Just click add social links and add here your username and then select platform. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.